Hello, and welcome to our staff development class, Seesaw in the K through 2 classroom. Today I'm just going to give you a quick overview on how to maneuver through the app or the website so that you can complete the activities in order to fulfill your obligations for the class. There will be 10 activities you are responsible to complete in order to receive credit for the class. So right now I am in Seesaw and I'm using a desktop. You can choose to either use a desktop or your iPad. Either will work, but maneuvering through might be a little different, which I'm going to show you now. So when I'm in the teacher view, I think it's easier to set things up, which we will be doing later. You may opt to do that. But again, either will work, an iPad or a desktop. Right now I'm set up as a teacher, and you can tell because it has my name and it says teacher underneath. So I'm going to show you how to maneuver through as a student, which is how you will start the class. So again, I'm on a desktop, so I'm going to go through Google, and I'm going to type in the website, which is www.seesaw.me. If you're using the iPad, you would just click on the picture of the app, which is the icon you saw at the very top of the email, the welcome email I sent to you. Now, when you look at this version, it looks the same over here, but in the top left-hand corner, instead of having my name with teacher underneath, you see student account and student. It will not say your name because we are right now in a generic student folder. But you will see that your names are over here. So when you place things into your journal, you will click on your name, which you'll see again in just a moment. When you log in, you may see this welcome letter from me. If some of the participants in the class have already started and they have uploaded information into the journal, this may have progressed down a bit, so you may not see that first thing. So you may need to scroll down to read the welcome letter, which I recommend highly. Because as people add to the journal, the most recent post will appear in the feed here. So as we progress through, your responsibility is going to be, as I said previously, 10 activities. So right now we're in the journal mode where we can see what's been added to the journal. To complete the activities, you're going to click on the Activities tab right here. There will be 10 activities. Right now I just have 2 set up as an example. So this is your first activity. It will say the name of the class, Seesaw K through 2, the week, week 1, and the lesson, lesson 1. It's set up so that you're expected to complete 3 activities each week, but if you want to do them all in 1 week or spread it out, it is up to you. To complete the activity, you click the Add button. You say who you are completing the activity, so click on my name, and then the activity comes up. And you're going to see some things here, but the important thing to do first is to go to the View Instructions tab. And that will give you the instructions for the entire activity. So there will be some links. I'm going to warn you not to click on that right away. Sometimes I've included some links to help you more as a helpful thing if you need them. So for example, this is how to take a screenshot if you don't know how to do that when you're using your iPad. And the directions for the activity are listed in order sequentially here. So when you watch a video, the very first video I try to set up is the link for you. So when we go back here, you will see, close out, the video is already here. You can click on it, it will show it to you. But if there's more than one video, you are going to need to actually copy and paste the address into the URL for yourself. I do that by adding a new tab, which I'll show you in a second. So let's say I already did this video, I watched it, and I copy and I pasted the link into the browser, or I clicked on it and I watched it. The next step is to watch the second video from another perspective. So I would copy by highlighting and dragging. I would do Control or Command C to copy, or I could go up to Edit and copy that URL. And then I'm going to close it and go to a new tab so that I can watch it. And to watch it, I click inside the address bar and either do Control V, I call it Velcro, or Edit Paste. And then hit Return, and it will bring you to YouTube to the second video.
Hey, I just created a Wix website for my business.
Some do have ads, so if you want to skip the video,
Let me show you how I did it. Let's go to Wix.
You can skip the video. I'm going to close that. tab for now. You can watch it later. And then you go to the next step. It says log into Seesaw and create a teacher account, which will be taught to you in the video, and use the attached link if you are not sure how to take the screenshot, which is what that is. And then when you do that, it's going to teach you how to send that to me. So if you have any questions, please feel free to email me or text me. I included my phone number there, as this may be new to you and you may need a little bit of guidance. I'm more than happy to help you through it. So once you finish all of the steps in the activity, you click the check, and a picture of that activity will show up with your name. This is mine because I completed it, to tell me as the teacher that you've completed that activity. And then some of your classmates can comment. You put my name. You can converse back and forth. You can post different comments. But before it shows up on the student account, so I'm going to show you, put post. See, it says pending approval. I, as the teacher, have to approve anything that posts to everyone's journal, which is a fabulous feature. So if I go back to my teacher, it'll show you that it's waiting for, I have a review that needs to be approved or unapproved. So it says here, Krista posted something. She also posted a comment. Do I want to approve it? Yep. Do I want to approve it? Yep. And then it will show up in the student view for everyone to see. Well, that's basically it. Good luck. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, and I am here to help.